Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing fine and you are safe at home. I am Miss Vishal, the teacher of Playgroup from the Smart School, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan campuses and Gulistan Johar campus. And I warmly welcome all my students in today's English class. Today in English we are going to study about a new sound. So, are you all ready to learn a new sound? Well done! I am very excited for today's sound. So, kids, let's just get started with the new sound. Can you see here a new sound? And can you all tell me which sound is this? This sound is... Which sound is this? Which sound is this? This is sound. This sound is. Well done. And as you all know that we all have a rhyme for each sound. So the rhyme for this sound is like holding a stick. Is like holding a stick. आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये कोई boy या कोई भी person है who is holding a stick like this? क्योंकि F ऐसे खड़ा हुआ है and he is holding a stick. So is like holding a stick. ऐसे खड़ा हुआ है, ये sound ऐसे खड़ा हुआ है जैसे किसी ने stick को hold किया हुआ हो. Okay kids, so now I'm going to show you that is like holding a stick. कैसे और क्यों बोल रहे हैं हम? Why we are saying this? Because he looks like, the sound looks like a man or a person is standing with holding a stick in his hand. So I am some and I am holding a stick like this. Is like holding a stick. Is like holding a stick. Well done. Is like holding a stick. Very good. This is how we are going to sing the rhyme of the sound. Is like holding a stick. Well done. Now let's go and trace the sound. With the help of our pencils, we are going to trace the sound. So let's just get started. Put the pencil on the dot and start the tracing. Is like holding a stick. Very good. Once again. Is like holding a stick. This is sound. This is sound. Well done. Now let's move towards the vocabulary session. Over here I am having 3 vocabularies which comes with the sound. Let's just get started. What is this? This is a flower. Yes, this is a flower. 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 Fish. 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 Fountain. Fountain. is you are going to go, you are going to search something which comes with the sound so that vocabulary can be strong. Come, let's just trace the sound again so that it is easy for all of you to trace it in your copies and in your books. Come on, now look at me that how I am going to trace the sound so that you can trace it easily. What we are going to do, kids, we are going to put our pencils on the dot and is like holding a stick. Is like holding a stick. Well done. Do it once again. Is like holding a stick. Is like holding a stick. Well done, kids. This is how we are going to trace the sound. Now let's recall the rhyme of the sound once again. Is like holding a stick. Is like holding a stick. And what are the vocabularies? Flower, fish, fountain, feather, fan, frock. There are lots of vocabularies that comes with the sound. I hope you all have learned the sound and its vocabulary. So that was it for today. I hope you all have enjoyed and liked the video. I'm going to meet with a new topic, with a new class. Till then, take care of yourself and it's time to say bye-bye. And what you have to do is you have to wear a mask, use hand sanitizers and don't go out if there's nothing important. So kids, that was it for today. I hope you all have enjoyed.